Learn how vitamins can help fix your nervous system. Today, we're going to talk about something very important to our health. The amazing world of vitamins that help and heal our nerve system. Like a well-oiled machine, our nervous system is an important part of keeping everything running smoothly. From the way our brains work to how our muscles move. Also, guess what? For our nerve systems, some vitamins are like the superheroes who help keep them in great shape. Let's look around. Vitamin B complex, the powerhouse of nerve nutrients. The powerful vitamin B complex is the first on our list of nerve-healthy heroes. B1 is thiamine, B2 is riboflavin, B3 is niacin, B5 is pantothenic acid, B6 is pyridoxine, B7 is biotin, B9 is folate, and B12 is cobalamin. Each member of this powerful group helps nerves stay healthy and work well in their own way. B12, which is called the energy vitamin, is needed to make myelin, a fatty substance that covers nerve cells and keeps them safe. Having enough B12 is important for keeping nerves healthy and avoiding diseases like peripheral neuropathy. B6 is a vitamin that does many things. It helps make neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that send messages between nerve cells. It also helps keep your mood and sleep habits in check, which makes it an important part of the health of your nervous system as a whole. B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, B9. These B vitamins help nerves do many things, like making energy, neurotransmitters, and nerve cell repair. They also help lower inflammation and chemical stress, both of which can hurt nerve cells over time. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for healthy nerves. Vitamin D, the light vitamin, is next. Vitamin D is known for helping bones stay healthy and the immune system work well. It is also very important for keeping nerves healthy. Lack of vitamin D may be linked to a higher chance of neurological diseases like Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis, according to research. So, get some sun, but only in a safe way. Or think about taking a vitamin D supplement to keep your thoughts calm. Omega-3 fatty acids are known as brain boosters. Finally, let us talk about omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for the brain. Omega-3s are very important for brain and nerve health. You can find them in large amounts in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. They help keep the walls of nerve cells intact, keep neurotransmitters working properly, and lower inflammation in the nervous system. Adding things that are high in omega-3s to your diet or taking a good fish oil supplement can help your nerves grow and stay healthy. It's easy to forget how important it is to take care of our nerve system in this busy world. But by adding vitamins and nutrients that are good for nerves to our daily lives, we can support nerve health and function at their best, which will lead to a happy, healthier life. So, remember that when you eat a smoothie full of B vitamins, lay out in the sun, or enjoy a tasty dish of omega-3 rich salmon, you're not only feeding your body, you're also feeding your nerves. We hope that the future is full of health, happiness, and nerve-wracking excitement. Happy drinking! How can I get these vitamins every day? Don't worry about how hard it is to get these important vitamins for your nervous system. In fact, you can easily add them to your daily routine by making simple changes to your food and, if needed, taking supplements. Let us break it down. For vitamin B complex, whole grains are best. All of these foods are good for you because they are full of whole grains and B vitamins. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are full of B vitamins, so eat a lot of them. Foods that are high in lean proteins, like chicken, fish, eggs, and lean meats, can help you get enough B vitamins. Nuts and legumes. For a B vitamin boost, eat nuts, peanuts, almonds, beans, and lentils as a snack. Foods that have been added to look for cereals that have been added to, plant-based milk replacements, and nutritional yeast. These foods are often made with extra B vitamins. Vitamin D sunlight. Spend some time outside in the sun, with sunscreen, of course, to make vitamin D in your skin naturally. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are all examples of fatty food that you should eat often. Egg yolks. Chickens that were raised on grass are a good source of vitamin D, so eat eggs. Fortified foods: look at the labels of milk, orange juice, cereal, and other foods to see if they have added vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids: fatty fish. At least twice a week. Eat fatty fish like salmon, trout, mackerel, and sardines. Plant-based sources. To get omega-3s from plants, eat flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, walnuts, and algae-based products. Fish oil supplements. If you don't eat enough omega-3 rich foods every day, you might want to add a good fish oil vitamin to your routine. Keep in mind that you should eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods to make sure your body, including your nervous system, gets all the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy. If you have specific dietary needs or are worried about how many nutrients you are getting, talk to a doctor or certified dietitian for personalized advice and suggestions. Cheers to taking care of your nerves and living a full, healthy life. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.